हम सबको ट्रैवल करना बहुत पसंद है, किसी के लिए स्ट्रेस बस्टर है, तो कोई ट्रैवल करता है नई जगह एक्सप्लोर करने की एक्सक्यूज के लिए। और अक्सर हम फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स के साथ जाते हैं, लेकिन अपने पेट्स को हम नहीं ले जा पाते बिकॉज एवरी प्लेस इज नॉट पेट फ्रेंडली, राइट? लेकिन एक शो ऐसा आ रहा है सोनी बीबीसी अर्थ पे, जहां पर शायद आपको हेल्प मिल सके कि नेक्स्ट टाइम जब आप पूरी फैमिली के साथ ट्रैवल करना चाहें तो कोई भी पीछे ना रहे। और उस शो के बारे में, विच इज लाइफ ऑफ द लीश, बात करने के लिए वी हैव द होस्ट ऑफ द शो, जो दोनों एविड ट्रैवलर्स हैं। सो व्हाट इज द शो अबाउट? वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक टू प्रियंका एंड तनवीर, बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ वार्म वेलकम टू बोथ ऑफ यू।
Thank you so much. Thanks for having
Okay.
us.
So first things first, सबसे पहले तो आप मुझे बताओ, what is the show all about? What is this whole concept about?
So basically, this show is about obviously traveling across India, but the main thing is about traveling with our pets. So two dogs go on a 4-month journey across 20 states in India, experiencing every weather, every terrain, and basically every side of India is possible because India is so diverse. हर एक कोना बहुत ही अलग है. So it's about experiencing rural India and showcasing a side of India जो पहले बहुत commonly नहीं दिखा है screen पे.
Through the eyes of our
और अच्छा, जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, आप दोनों एविड ट्रैवलर्स हैं। तनवीर, आपका एक YouTube चैनल भी है अबाउट ट्रैवल, एंड प्रियंका, यू रन अ ट्रैवल एजेंसी एज वेल। और तो अपने बारे में हमारी जो ऑडियंस है उनको प्लीज थोड़ा सा और बताइए।
So basically हम दोनों 5 years पहले मिले एक दूसरे से, और both of us have always been all about the outdoors, and we both love traveling, and that's one of the things that we liked about each other. Apart from travel, both of us, हम लोग को दोनों को बहुत animals बहुत पसंद है. Both of us had a dog. I had a golden retriever called Frodo. इनके पास क्रूज था छोटा, वो तब बहुत, I think 4 or 5 months का था. So I think that was one of the factors that made us a pack together, and we started traveling a lot. हम लोग ने छोटे छोटे ट्रिप से स्टार्ट किया पहले, बॉम्बे के बाहर, फिर around Maharashtra, and then the more we traveled, we realized that it wasn't as difficult to travel with dogs as it seems, क्योंकि बहुत लोगों को पहले से they have preconceived notions about pet travel difficult hota hai and all, but that's how we started traveling, and that's how our adventure began.
ओके अच्छा, आप लोगों ने बहुत सारे एडवेंचर ट्रिप्स किए हैं। ये अब जो आपने किया, ये एक डॉग वेंचर था, राइट? सो हाउ डिड दिस हैपन? हाउ डिड द शो हैपन, एंड हाउ डिड बोथ ऑफ यू कम ऑन बोर्ड ऑफ इट?
See, the show obviously is happening now, but initially it was just a dream that we both want to do this crazy kind of travel and just live off
off the leash
and like literally us also and our dogs also, and experience India out of a car basically, and and we knew that this was something unique and different. तो हम लोग ने ये पूरा जर्नी फिल्म करने का डिसाइड किया, एंड फिल्म द होल एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिड. So whatever you see on the show, there are no scripts, there's no crew, there's nothing, there's just the two of us doing everything. हम लोग अलग अलग जगह से कैमरा फिक्स करके सब फिल्म पूरा किया है ये. And later on, of course, after the journey ended, when we came back, we started creating small videos out of it, and Sony BBC of course saw it and they loved it. They loved the idea also, and then is how the show is being structured now according to the footage that we have. So the storytelling, everything of course is being pieced together after the journey. But yeah, initially it was just our dream that we worked really hard to achieve. In terms of planning, हम लोग ने almost 1 year planning किया है ये before going on this journey. In terms of budgeting, finance, planning, what all we need to pack, how much dog food we need, where do we stay. So हम लोग ने 2 months का bookings करके रखा था, like in different places, and yeah, so it took a lot of effort, but it worked out great, and we came out of it, and we are so glad we did it when we did, because I don't know if this kind of travel is going to be possible in the near future, anytime. But at that time, it was an absolute pleasure to experience life like that.
करेक्ट, आई एम श्योर। मतलब 120 दिन 20 स्टेट्स हमारे कंट्री के, बहुत सारे अनटच्ड लोकेशंस, अनफिल्टर्ड स्टोरीज। मतलब इस वक्त आप दोनों कम से कम इंसाइक्लोपीडिया होंगे बहुत सारी कहानियों के, बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरीज। प्लीज अगर कुछ शेयर आप हमारे साथ करें।
Sure.
I think for us to do this trip, one of the major reasons was क्योंकि हम लोग travel तो obviously कर रहे थे हमारे dogs के साथ, but one of the reasons was to experience different parts of the country that otherwise we wouldn't get to experience with the dogs. तो हमने start किया एक bucket list बनाने. We started off with making a bucket list basically. I wanted to take the dogs to the mountains to experience snow. She wanted to take the dogs to the blue waters of Rameshwaram. So that's how we started making. So I think one of the most memorable feeling that I have from the trip is watching Frodo and Cruz experience snow for the first time. Because for us coming from Bombay, Maharashtra, snow is obviously a very unique terrain for us. Obviously, also a terrain that's really far off. So by the time we reached the snow, we covered the entire coastline, starting from Maharashtra down to Kerala and then up towards Orissa, northeast. So by the time we reached Himachal, it was almost 100 days across the journey. So after 100 days, experiencing something that you had only dreamed of was a really special one for me. What about you?
For me, I think it was Northeast. It was my first experience of Meghalaya, and I was really blown away in a very in a good way about how clean the state is and how pet friendly the state is. And it's a very different, although I mean, of course, they're part of India, but it's so different, their way of thinking and how they have still maintained their roots of traditional living in terms of respecting nature and giving first priority to protecting nature over just development or over just civilization or urbanization. They do everything in such a sustainable way. So for me, it was a really good experience to see that and seeing it with my family, with the dogs also. So that was really special.
Okay, but tell me something. I think बहुत सारे पेट लवर्स हैं, जैसे आपने पहले कहा था कि सबके एक प्रीकंसीव नोशन होते हैं जिसकी वजह से वो ट्रैवल या तो पोस्टपोन कर लेते हैं या पेट्स को नहीं ले जाते, कि जनरली प्लेसेस या होटल्स जो हैं दे नॉट पेट फ्रेंडली। नाउ आपने ये पूरा एक्सपीरियंस ले लिया है। अब मैं आपसे जानना चाहूंगी, सबसे पेट फ्रेंडली आपको कौन सी जगह लगी और कौन सी थी जो उतनी वेलकमिंग नहीं थी?
I would say 90% of India is pet friendly. Because कोई भी rural part of India pet friendly है, because rural India उनको आदत है जानवरों के साथ रहने की, whether it's cows, goats, chickens, cats, dogs. So they don't see it as, oh my God, they don't see it as unnatural. But problem आता है जब हम urban parts of India में जाते हैं, whether it is I would say, of course, places like Delhi and all are still pet friendly because a lot of people have dogs. But if it is a place like, suppose, for example, Chennai or Madurai or Visakhapatnam, or certain parts of UP and Bihar, those places it's difficult. It's not pet friendly because it is supposed
it's in the middle.
Like they don't see it like normal. Like you bringing your dog to a hotel or this thing, then it's a problem. But the moment you leave the cities and you're in the outskirts of cities, 90% of places allow pets. If you ask them nicely. And some places that are not pet friendly also, if you ask them nicely and you say that my dog is well behaved and I will this thing, they allow. But I think the main cheese hai ki as a pet owner also, सर्टेन सेंस ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आप में भी होनी चाहिए कि
Yeah.
हाँ,
आप आपके डॉग को सही तरीके से हैंडल करना जानते हैं, ताकि आप सही तरीके से हैंडल करते हैं, योर डॉग इज नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रॉय एनीथिंग और एनीथिंग,
Be
पीपल
loud.
then people don't have a problem, so
I think I think India में pet stays और pet accommodation का infrastructure अभी तक इतना develop हुआ नहीं है. But like she said, rural India and India in general, people are very used to animals being around them. So if you ask nicely and if you kind of charm your way through it, it always works out. And people are always curious. Yeah, I think curiosity is a big thing in India. Everybody wants to know what you're doing, where are you coming from, इतने बड़े dogs के साथ क्या कर रहे हो. तो अगर थोड़ा सा आप time spend करें उनसे बात करने में, then they'll just open their doors to you, do whatever you want, So
and also in many places जहाँ पे हम लोग को hotels नहीं मिली रहने के लिए, and तो काफी अनजान लोगों ने अपने घर
Yeah.
हमारे लिए खोले हैं.
social media.
wow.
So social media, we have put up posts like, hey, we are here, like in Lucknow, when we were in Lucknow, or we were in Gorakhpur,
Yeah.
we were like
Visakhapatnam.
Visakhapatnam, these places where we did not find places, we used to put it up on social media, and then there were so many people who used to tell us that please come and stay with us and take such good care of us.
So social media का good side देखा है इस
So-
journey में for sure.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but generally I've seen जब travelers कुछ ऐसा बड़ा project plan कर रहे होते हैं, that they have a mission in mind कि हम ये करना चाह रहे हैं, they kind of promote it. तो आप लोगों ने भी ऐसे promote किया था this whole thing of yours कि we want to achieve this?
I mean, we did not really promote it as such. So 5 years back when we met each other and we started doing these travels together, a lot of people started noticing this, noticing us traveling with our dogs, and everybody was curious, right? So that's when we started getting a lot of attention from people asking कि क्या करते हो, कैसे करते हो, how are the dogs adjusting? So then we gave it an identity. कि, okay, let's call this Wheels and Tails. So in the span of 5 years, in the span of I think 3 years when we went out for the trip, we already had a little bit of like following in terms of people who were looking forward to us doing things. So that was there. But ये trips चालू होने के बाद, the people that we've met throughout India and the kind of snowball effect that it had on our followership is just crazy, because all of a sudden pura India hamara, because we used to go and people would get really excited and they would tell their friends. Sometimes radio stations would call us and feature us on their channels, local radio station, local newspapers. So by the time ये 4 महीने complete हुए, हमारा इतना it was like almost like a lot of people all of a sudden were just looking at, okay, ये कहाँ जा रहे हैं? We want to be a part of their journey. They would always suggest places to go. कहाँ रह सकते हैं, क्या कर सकते हैं, dogs की तबीयत कैसी है. So we always had that safety net कि अगर
That
कुछ हुआ भी तो we
people are
have
looking after us.
people are looking after us like virtually.
virtually.
So that was a
Okay.
beautiful thing, I think. So there was no promotion as such, but it just happened in a way that the journey became really big, not just for us, but even beyond us, for people who were looking up to what we were doing.
Okay. So ये तो अच्छी सारी बातें हो गई ना, but I'm sure बहुत सारे challenges भी आप दोनों ने of course ये 120 दिन में and उसकी प्री प्रिपरेशन में फेस किए होंगे. सबसे top 3 tough challenges क्या आए?
So challenges, I think one, like Priyanka ने पहले बताया कि accommodations का always एक डर रहता था कि whether we would find accommodation or not. So वो obviously one thing that was constantly there, but it wasn't a big bother because we would always just end up finding places. And if nothing, we could always camp out. We had a big tent, we had a big car. So that was one. Uske baad, I think one of the challenges we faced was when we were in Assam, cruise पहाड़ से नीचे आते आते एक फिसल गया था और उसका पैर थोड़ा मुड़ गया था. So he got really sick and we were obviously in the middle of nowhere and we didn't have access to the vet. So we were quite freaked out. But fortunately and this is one thing that I always tell people that are wanting to travel with dogs is हमेशा एक बड़ा travel medical kit carry करना चाहिए for the dogs as well, you know. Because more often than not, you'll find yourself in places that don't have vet access or stuff. So हम लोग ने इससे पहले एक बहुत बड़ा किट बनाया था जिसमें सब मेडिसिन के एसेंशियल्स थे, और हमने एक ट्रेनिंग कोर्स भी किया था हमारे डॉक्टर के साथ, जो फर्स्ट एड ट्रेनिंग, बेसिकली अगर समथिंग गोज रॉन्ग वी हैव इमीडिएट एटलीस्ट द बेसिक नॉलेज की उसको कैसे अंडर कंट्रोल करें. तो जब ये हुआ हमने बेसिक ऑब्वियसली जो भी पॉसिबल था वो किया, एंड देन वी मूव टू शिलोंग. वी वेंट टू शिलोंग टू गेट टू अ वेट, एंड obviously cruise became okay, but it took like a good 10 to 12 days. It was quite a scary moment for us because up until then everything was going so smoothly. The dogs were adjusting really well to whatever we were throwing, and you know, we were also like, wow, ye bahut acha ja raha hai, dogs bhi, you know, koi problem nahi hai. But all of a sudden it was this cruiser so unwell, he was not eating. तो ये 12 दिन हमारे लिए काफी scary थे. We even thought of turning back and going back home, you know, but then, you know, things started becoming okay, and yeah, by the end of it we were fine, we moved on. So that was one of the scary part that we faced. And another thing was हमारा जो online identity है उसको wheels and tails बोलते हैं, life off the leash. So we always keep our dogs off the leash, and both our dogs know very well how to manage stray dogs. There are a lot of stray dogs in India, right? Beach side mein, throughout the coastline, we didn't have any problems with the dogs interacting with other dogs, because the dogs that we have are slightly bigger also, and they are also a pack, you know. So वहाँ पे problem नहीं हुआ, but problem हुआ mountain areas में, जहाँ पे dogs उनसे double size के होते हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा territorial भी होते हैं. So we were in Mussoorie, and we were obviously on one of the hikes. We were just walking, and then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, one big mountain dog comes and attacks Frodo, one of our dogs, and it was a really scary situation. We just freaked out, and we didn't know what to do. And these dogs are really big, you know. They're like Bhutia dogs that you know, are like Tibetan Mastiff and Mountain Dog cross, and they're extremely territorial. Like mountain life is very tough, you know. The animals that survive in the mountains are the fittest of all, you know. So our dogs didn't stand a chance, you know, and I had to jump in and break the fight, and the dog bit my hand. It was bleeding. We were in the middle of the mountains. Finally it was under control, but I had to rush to the hospital to get my hand stitched up. Fortunately Frodo is a golden retriever, so he has a lot of hair, so वो उसको ज़्यादा damage नहीं हुआ, thankfully. But yeah, that was a lesson learned and a very scary experience, that up in the mountains you better keep your dogs on the leash, you know. Like you can't like know your area really well in the mountains before you can let them off leash. So yeah, these were some of
up
the
in the mountain, the title changes to life on the leash.
yeah, totally. I mean, there were places in Kalimpong and some parts of Himachal also when we let the dogs off the leash, but we were continuously like, oh my god, koi aa raha hai kya, koi sa dog hai. We were like, it was a stressful environment, but otherwise, like in the coastline and all, we just leave the dogs off leash. They're gone for 15-20 minutes. We don't really bother so much because we know they'll be okay. But mountains is a different story.
Correct. Now, see, मैं जो show है उसके host से तो बात कर रही हूँ, but I want to talk about the stars of this show. You know, Cruz and Frodo, because जो teaser अभी तक देखा है, those guys are simply adorable. I don't have a dog, but you know, वो देख के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि these are such adorable, you know, dogs, and of course you are dog parents, so you must be feeling very proud of how वो 120 दिन उन्होंने आपका साथ दिया. So you know, how did they handle this whole situation? Because chota mota trip lete hain, it's not that difficult. This was 120 days that we are talking about.
Right. Actually, Touchwood, they are very hard guys. They are very they are pro travelers. Both of them have been traveling since they were 3 months old as puppies. So in fact, they feel more at home in the car than than at home in the flat or somewhere, you know. So they love the movement. In fact, Cruz सबसे best नींद आती है उसको जब गाड़ी चल रही होती है. मतलब जितनी भी bumpy road हो, जैसी भी हो, I mean, through the show you will find him just snoring away in the car. Like going from one side to other, but he's absolutely comfortable. And I think they also absolutely love the fact that they were waking up in a new place every day. That was something that was very you know beautiful for us as well. One of the main reasons that we enjoyed this journey was every day was different. Every day was a different food, different kind of place that we were waking up in, different kind of people. So and the dogs also really enjoy that. They get very excited moment the car stops and the door opens. They're like, both of them go like shouting of new smells and new people to meet, maybe new animals to make friends with. So they had a blast. I mean, they were sleeping, eating, pooping, and this thing.
Yeah, we were driving, planning, stressing out. They had a ball.
They were like just those kids who are not bothered. उनको सिर्फ घूमना है. For them, it is a vacation.
Pretty much. Yeah.
It was pretty much a vacation for them.
Okay, but tell me something. मतलब हर journey जो होती है या हर travel, it teaches us something and हम लेके आते हैं कोई ना कोई experience as learning. ये जो एक unique experience आप लोगों ने record किया है, and of course very soon we'll all get to see. What is the take back that each of you got from it? या कोई something that is there that you will always remember lifelong?
I think one of the major impacts that this journey had on all of us is that पूरी हमारी lifestyle इसके बाद बदल गई है. Like we were obviously, before we left for the trip, I had just quit my job and I was figuring out what to do, and we were doing some freelance gigs. Priyanka also was figuring out what to do with a travel company, all of that. But after this trip got over, we've just kind of now realized the importance of outdoors in our life, and we have now kind of made our entire lifestyle around the outdoors. So we've set up our new company called Hornbill Media Design, which helps outdoor setups and adventure setups in the country with digital marketing, with website development, with content. We got a lot into content creation. So now, there's no turning back now. It's not हम लोग अभी वापस, you can't go back to a cubicle. It's like now you've just seen far too much. Your brains are filled with a lot of visuals and memories and experiences that you cannot contain in a box. So I think for us, the biggest takeaway is now we've realized that the outdoors are a very integral part of our life. And we are also now moving towards, both of us are now planning to move out of the city. We stay in Bombay now. We are planning to move out of the city and stay in a much more quieter place. We are building a small homestay in a small fishing village in Udupi. So we are going to move out there and, work from there and, live closer to nature. So I think that is one thing that has impacted us for sure.
So I think एक छोटे से cubicle से निकल के now you've made the whole world your cubicle.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That is really nice. And Priyanka, मैं आपका Tripoto bio पढ़ रही थी, तो उसमें आपने कहीं लिखा है that you should not travel as a tourist but as a traveler. So is that your thought for anybody who wishes to travel?
Yes, I would suggest that to everyone who wants to actually experience traveling. Like for me, when I travel, I like to take tips from other people and all, but I always like doing my own planning, creating my own itineraries, researching a lot, finding hidden places and stuff. And I don't like to share them very openly with other people also, because I feel वो जो joy होती है of self-discovery, when you find certain things or places, whether it's by talking to someone or by doing your own online research, वो different joy होता है. So that is what I mean by don't be a tourist of just like copying what other people are doing or going to the same places or taking that package tour. Do your own research, go to the place, talk to people. You never know. Some of the best spots that we've been to, whether it's a very hidden waterfall or a forest or something, they've always been shown to us by a local over there that we've probably had a chai with, or met somewhere on the road, and they have like directed us to one beautiful spot. So I think that way of traveling is more fulfilling. When you do your own self discovery.
Wow. And अभी तो जिस तरह की situation है, as you said earlier, नहीं बहुत we can't go and travel जितना भी हम चाहें, but I'm really looking forward कि जब ये शो आपका लोग देखेंगे, and the free spiritedness जिस तरीके से आपने किया है अपना ये पूरा explanation, तो उससे काफी inspiration लोग लें, and बहुत सारे लोग travel करें, अच्छे life experiences gain करें, and all the best to both of you as well.
Thank you
for your future of making the world your whole cubicle.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
This was a lot of fun.
It was a pleasure talking to both of you.
Likewise. Thank you so much for having us.